create a new file. My file is 1920 by 1080 pixels. Select the horizontal type tool. Pick a font and type your text. Select the Move tool and press Ctrl+T. You can now resize and move the text. Right-click on the text layer and select Convert to Shape. Select the Direct Selection tool. Select the part of the text that you want to stretch. Then use the arrow keys to stretch it to the left or right. Repeat this for the rest of the text. If you like this effect, you're done now. I will now show you how to make the text transparent with an outline. Lower the fill of the text layer to 0%. Click on the FX icon and select Stroke. You can copy the settings I used, but you can also use different settings. And that's how you create this text effect.